Hey, welcome to this video. This is a time-lapse video of creating a cyborg soldier in zBrush. So if you are interested in the full video and you want to see the full step-by-step process, it's about an hour-and-a-half video. You are welcome to check it out. It's actually in the members section of the site. For $4.99, you can join and get access to, there's dozens of really long step-by-step videos on zBrush and stylized characters, so check it out. There's going to be a link below this video if you're interested. So to create this character right here, I first blocked them out by just using pretty much just a bunch of blobs and using clay buildup. And then what I've done is I just began to focus on specific aspects of the character. So once I split him into many different pieces, I first focused on the head, and you can see me doing that here, and then just using various brushes to create more and more details. One of the really fun things in this video is combining kind of organic sculpting, high-res sculpting, with also going low poly and using zModeler, right? So zModeler is amazing for hard surface modeling, and that's what you see me do here. Then using IMM brushes, you can create incredible looking cables and hoses and all of that stuff. All right, here you can see me focusing on the second piece, which is going to be pretty much the body or the chest. And what I've done is I extracted a mask from the high-res base mesh. And then once they were extracted, because we turned them into low poly, I was able to use zModeler to just add more and more really fun details. All right, then you can see me bringing up some references of the anatomy references that I use to create specific landmarks like the belly and the muscles. And then in here you see me jumping out of this scene and going into a different tool, or I call it a scene, but it's a different tool, and then using that to isolate the weapon, right? So just using zModeler and going into like a low poly box modeling mode, we create the sci-fi weapon. And that is a lot of fun and very simple to do. And then the back, you can see I'm adding a little bit of an energy thing in there. So I'm literally just kind of sculpting and concepting and modeling on the fly. I don't really have anything specific that I'm looking at. I'm just having fun, trying different things and just seeing what works. Once the weapon was finished, I then imported it into the other tool where the head and the body was, and continued sculpting, right? So here you see me creating an arm, kind of an organic Dynamesh arm, and then inserting it into zModeler, clean, low poly weapon, and then just creating more and more details, making it fit well and adjusting it. And then the back, you can see I just added some cables. Next, I moved to the feet, and then once again, I went into the high poly Dynamesh mode for sculpting. Once I got that the shape that I liked, I went into zModeling mode, turned it into low poly, and then once again went more into kind of a box modeling, zModeling techniques to create all these cool little details on the boots, kind of a sci-fi boots, right? And the reason you want to use zModeler for hard surfacing is because then you get these really clean shapes with beautiful edges, and it's just a lot of fun and very easy to do. And it's an amazing combination of combining organic shapes with kind of hard surfacing details. You get some really cool looking characters. So if you enjoy creating stylized characters and this is something you want to check out, once again, check out some of the videos that I have in my member section. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.